Top 10 life hacks and lifesavers for cleaning. 1. Use vinegar plus baking soda for just about everything. Combine vinegar and baking soda to clean drains, remove odors, lift stains, or clean toilets. Great all-purpose cleaner that's cheap, non-toxic, and eco-friendly. 2. Microwave a bowl of lemon water to steam clean it. Microwave a bowl of water with lemon slices for 3 to 5 minutes. Loosens gunk and deodorizes the microwave. Just wipe clean afterward. 3. Dryer sheets for dusting baseboards and blinds. Use used dryer sheets to dust baseboards, blinds, and electronics. They repel dust and save you from doing it again soon. 4. Dishwasher for more than dishes. Clean things like plastic toys, vent covers, pet bowls, and even baseball caps in the dishwasher. Sanitizes without scrubbing. Just avoid anything with fabric or wood. 5. Use a squeegee to remove pet hair from carpets. Rub a rubber squeegee across the carpet to pull up embedded hair. Much more effective than vacuuming alone for pet owners. 6. Magic erasers fix almost everything. Use melamine foam, magic eraser, to clean scuff marks, walls, sneakers, and stovetops. Restores items you thought were permanently stained. 7. Pillowcases for sealing fan blades. Slip a pillowcase over a blade, then pull it back to trap dust inside. No dust storm. Everything stays in the pillowcase. 8. Clean blender in seconds. Fill your blender halfway with warm water and a few drops of dish soap. Blend for 30 seconds. No more sticking your hand in there to scrub sharp blades. 9. Use rubbing alcohol to shine faucets and stainless steel. Spray rubbing alcohol on faucets, appliances, and glass surfaces. Wipe with microfiber. Fast, streak-free shine without expensive products. 10. Label your cleaning bottles and make a cleaning caddy. Keep a labeled caddy with your go-to supplies for each room, bathroom, kitchen, etc. Saves time hunting for products. Boosts motivation to clean efficiently. Which life hacks are you trying first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.